Onigiri is one of the most popular foods in Japan. It is enjoyed as a meal for breakfast, lunch, or even as a snack. It is very easy to make at home. I'll introduce 5 easy onigiri recipes that even beginners can make in just 5 minutes using steamed rice.
First of all, I'll introduce a shiso and salted kombu onigiri. Layer shiso leaves and roll them up, then chop or thinly slice them. Put chopped shiso, salted kombu, sesame, and 1 small pinch of salt into the rice. Mix it well as if cutting through it, and gently to avoid crushing. Place plastic wrap, then place the rice on it. First, lightly shape it into a ball. Then squeeze lightly and gradually form it into a triangle. Now it's done. Now let's make the second one in the same way. The second one we'll make is tuna mayonnaise. Put drained tuna into a bowl. Today I'll make the tuna filling with double the amount. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Then mix it well. Cut nori seaweed paper into half. Place plastic wrap and then put the rice on it. Make a hollow in the center of the rice. Wrap the filling with the rice and lightly shape it into a ball. Then squeeze lightly and gradually form it into a triangle. Sprinkle a small pinch of salt. Gently press and shape it again with the plastic wrap to blend the salt flavor. Finally, place the onigiri on the rough side of nori and wrap it. Now it's done. The third one is cheese okaka onigiri. Okaka means katsuobushi, bonito flakes. Cut cheese into small dice pieces. Wetting the knife makes it easier to cut the cheese without it sticking. Put the cheese, katsuobushi bonito flakes, and soy sauce, and mix it well. Place plastic wrap, then rice on it. Firstly, lightly shape it into a ball. Then squeeze lightly and gradually form it into a triangle. Now your onigiri is ready. Now make the second one in the same way. Lightly shape it into a ball, then squeeze lightly and gradually form it into a triangle. The second one is done.
The fourth one I'll introduce to you is avocado kombu onigiri. Cut a half of avocado into small-sized pieces. Mix the avocado with lemon juice to prevent it from changing color. Put salted kombu, avocado, and sesame oil. Then mix it well. Put a pinch of salt and mix it again. Today I'm gonna use an onigiri mold. Put the mixed rice into the mold. Then cover it with the lid and press firmly. Then flip it over and press down firmly on the bottom. That's it. Easy, isn't it? The fifth one I'll introduce to you is sausage edamame onigiri. Cut sausages into small-sized pieces. Remove the edamame from the pots. Cover with plastic wrap or silicone lid. Put it in the microwave at 600 watts for 50 seconds. Drain the excess liquid or blot it with paper towel. Put butter, salt, pepper, and mix it well. I'm gonna use an onigiri mold. Put the mixed rice into the mold. Cover it with the lid and press firmly, then flip it over and press down firmly on the bottom. Now it's done.